More than 500 people were evacuated from their homes in northern Ecuador on Sunday, following flooding caused by heavy rains, President Guillermo Lasso said. Dozens of residents climbed onto the roofs or balconies of their homes to protect themselves from the rising waters, according to images released by the Ministry of Defense. Rain had fallen for 12 hours without interruption, causing 6 rivers to overflow, Lasso said. Authorities evacuated around 500 people by boat and another 30 by helicopter, the Risk Management Secretariat said. In Atacames canton, flooding resulted in damage to 4 schools and 300 homes, impacting approximately 1,200 individuals. In Quinindé canton, 150 homes were damaged, affecting around 350 people. Muisne canton saw damage to 50 homes, affecting about 200 residents. In total, 4 houses were completely destroyed, leaving 16 individuals homeless. Over 11,750 individuals were impacted by intense flooding between June 3rd and June 4th, 2023, in the Esmeraldas Province of Ecuador due to the overflowing of 6 rivers following continuous rainfall. The cantons of Esmeraldas, Atacames, Quinindé, and Muisne bore the brunt of the floods, resulting in extensive damage to properties and necessitating broad-scale evacuations. Severe flooding has wrought havoc on Esmeraldas Province in Ecuador, affecting various communities in the cantons of Esmeraldas, Atacames, Quinindé, and Muisne. The flood, which occurred due to a period of heavy rainfall between June 3rd and 4, has had a significant impact on the lives of over 11,000 people, prompting extensive rescue operations involving boats and helicopters. However, there have been no reported fatalities or missing persons in the wake of the disaster. Esmeraldas Canton was among the areas hardest hit by the flooding. Vast areas are now underwater, leading to the damage of approximately 2,395 homes and directly affecting around 10,000 residents. The flooding also caused substantial damage to other essential structures, including a prison and several schools.